Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to file your US taxes for free. Just follow these steps so you can choose the best free filing method that fits your situation. First, let's look at the ways you can file your taxes without paying anything. One option is free file. If your adjusted gross income is $84,000 or less, you qualify to use IRS Free File with partner software. If you earn more than that, you can still use Free File fillable forms. Another option is direct file, where you can prepare and file your taxes online directly with the IRS for free. There are also free tax services for military members and veterans, depending on eligibility. If you meet any of these conditions, earning $67,000 or less, having a disability, being 60 years or older, or needing language support, you can get help from IRS-certified volunteers who prepare taxes for free. Next, let's look at other ways to file. You can choose an IRS-approved tax professional, or you can file using paper forms and mail them to the IRS. If you earn wages, you'll usually file Form 1040 or Form 1040-SR for seniors. If you have a business or side income, you'll need Form 1040 with a Schedule C. You can visit the IRS website to find the right form for your specific situation. You can also use tax preparation software of your choice to file electronically or print and mail your return. If you need extra time to file or pay, you must request an extension before the April deadline. But remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay. You still need to pay any taxes you owe on time to avoid interest and penalties. And if you're unable to pay your tax bill, the IRS offers help and options for managing tax debt. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll know exactly how to file your US taxes for free anytime.